Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Discover the power of precision with the Stanley FMHT82565-0 Digital Multimeter. This compact and robust tool is your go-to for measuring AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts and current up to 10 amps. Need to check resistance? No problem. This multimeter handles up to 2 mega ohms with ease. With a dedicated battery test function and a clear display, you can trust this Stanley to deliver accurate readings every time. Plus, its lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for any job site. Get yours today and experience the reliability of Stanley.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.